something.
All right, folks. We got another one. We're going to talk about the Tygo Monkey Mind.
And we're going to talk about 3 people.
We're going to talk about how he works with the SKYTOWER or the Sun and Moon slider. Okay. What do you want to say about him?
Are we talking about this guy?
Yeah, and then we'll talk about the Strawberry Crash momentarily.
I like this one because it's me and Bobby's Fidget. Me and a little assistant's Fidget.
Little assistant?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why do you guys like it so much?
It's just like a perfect size for Bobby. It's easy to move. I don't have to do this with this guy.
Yeah.
He's easy to move.
Would you wear him as a necklace?
Yeah.
You would? Because he came with a little string that you can put him on so that you can wear him as what they call a pendant. So you see right here.
Oh, yeah. And then you can just do this.
Let's see if they can see that. Yeah. You can put a little small string through there. But this does function as an actual tiny slider. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
What do you think about the design of them? Like that part?
I like this cookie.
You like the cookie? Does he have good bones? What do you think? Yeah. Now, here's what's...
Is he at the hospital right now? Is he at the
This guy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to put him back together, but we're going to make him like RoboCop. So we're going to...
Well, so it's like...
Make him even better.
Wow.
So what we do is, and I didn't know this until somebody pointed it out to me in one of the Facebook groups, is that SKYTOWER or Sun and Moon slider, which is just like a, I guess, more premium version of the SKYTOWER, they work together. One of the only things is the Sun and Moon, I didn't realize, is a Teflon run track where the SKYTOWER has stainless steel. So I might have to trade this out at some point for just a regular SKYTOWER so that I can hear this thing run on a stainless steel track. But you take that piece and you set it in there. And now, look at that. You can run it almost like a Magnus Trio kind of a situation.
So, why does this guy have to be inside his bones?
Why does he have to be inside of him?
Yeah, that person.
Well, I think it's just that they work together. So it's by the same company, Tygo, or I believe it's Tygo. So they made their product so that they could work together. So if you listen to this one before any thing in there, what are you doing?
Turn this guy off.
You can hear that it runs pretty quietly. But if you take them and you place them in there, listen to this. Right.
Whoa.
Wait, hold on 1 second. Wait. There are 2 different ways to do this. There's that side, which I haven't found to do anything yet.
This guy has lost half of his body. I need a Kleenex.
Okay. There it is. Now, you get different sounds depending on, it's 6:30. Different sounds depending on where you place it. So it's just kind of interesting, and it's just the middle piece bumping and retracting up against there. So you get that kind of extra click in there.
Dad, what's this?
Okay. Ooh.
Well, it's something. This is just cool because he can carry on that people. They like need help or they're
Oh yeah, they can magnetize.
Or if they're drowning in the water, he can be like grab them so they don't die.
Yeah. So you can kind of mess with this this piece in a lot of different ways for this purpose here. You got this little tiny slider that works up against the
This guy's a baby.
other one. Now if you do that,
Dad,
now we've got it blocked on both sides. He is a little baby. Now you get this kind of rub. Between those two plates as they pass each other. But otherwise you're kind of locking yourself into not being able to close it. And so I just take a little tool and pop that out of there. So that's it on that side.
Hi.
Ooh, tiny assistant.
Mommy, want to say hi? It's Libby on there.
Oh yeah. Oh.
With an eye, with an eye, for free.
So definitely better on one side versus the other. Okay. You got any questions about that? Shoot me a message. But that is the Monkey Mind slider.
Talk about the baby.
Yep, we will. Monkey Mind slider inside the inside the Sun Moon kind of premium SKYTOWER. So if you've got a SKYTOWER, you can get this and experience a different sound. All right, folks. Have a wonderful day.